lately. No, I haven't seen him for probably a couple months now.
Yeah, I tell you what. Man, as long as we had a blank face galaxy down there, I may be interested. Still there, I'm trying to grab it off this week there, tell you what.
Roger, Roger. I heard, Blackface Cobra?
Galaxy. Or galaxy, there, tell you what.
Base station?
Yeah, black face. You're taking the black face, tell you what.
I got you. Big box.
Yeah. I need something, man. Shoot, my little badass nephew, man, put water in my Cobra 2000 and then put some juice in it. Put juice up in it. It was about an accident. They kids. Well, I gotta get you something else.
Roger, Roger, Roger. Yeah, this shit happens, but hey, I can get a brand new radio. You got a good reason.
Yep. That's what I need. I think old as hell, man. Old shit's good too, good. That work.
Right, that's right. That shit dries up. And when shit starts breaking on the 2000, I don't think they have certain parts like the audio chip anymore.
No, they got wet. When I gave it to the scrap man. I threw the microphone off and gave it to the
Sounds better in your radio.
Get it out, man. I got that for them. That damn thing has so many damn towers in it, man. It rolls. I go anywhere I want to, man. When it's all going to Coke 2000. Anywhere I want to. Up, lower. What the hell? Up, stop here. That's where we get the hell off this. Up, stop here, me.
Roger, Roger. Well, I'm sure the Galaxy is probably capable too.
Yeah, that's right. But I'm gonna look it up. I just saved 20 for you, man. And then I used to do this. What about troubleshooting there? Get what you left on it. Going all the way down 95 up there, boy.
Your antenna is 30 feet in the air. And is it above the roof line?
Yeah, almost 30 feet there.
Really? Good for you.
Yeah. I got on the side of the house, 2x4s, about 2x4s. Open it up there.
Roger. Wow. That's good, man. You're talking Skip. You need to crank it up a little bit. That Galaxy will probably do some watts.
Yeah. I'll put it up there a little bit up there. But, like I said, yeah, we do some damage to my stuff. I have some shoes to put there right now. Good business there right now, but, I'll just tell you that.
Yeah, I remember you had a tube set up or something, like 200 watts.
Yeah. Let's get 300. Let's get 300 on the thing like that, boy.
Oh, that thing shit to bed too?
Yes, those tubes up. It's all tubes up. It's burning also, so. And then the Cobra 2000. And, this airport right now, but I do like that. That's the variable. I can turn up on it, get that right.
Roger. Yeah, I don't know, the Skipper 300, I have one of those too. It was a great amp. But they used this really expensive tube called an 8950, and right now they're over $100 a piece. That is insane.
You worry about that. I was so lucky that I had one before. I took some of those tubes out, you know. I had to reach through the whole thing. But that's what they did. But anyway, I had some spares right there. I took the oil up, man. Turn that variable up on the back. The other one I had was the hammer variable on the back.
Roger.
I kept it. I kept it. One thing is totally damaged. I don't know. Hold on to it anyway. Maybe work something to get off the like that work.
Yeah, what microphone you plan on using? Roger, Roger. Good choice. Hell yeah.